Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of functions in JavaScript. First of all, what is function? What is the need of function in any programming language? Function is simply a block of code. Why it is the need of defining a function? Suppose you are writing one program. Within the program, some task is there. Suppose if some set of code is written needed multiple number of times. Instead of writing the same set of codes multiple number of times, we return the code only once. That is named as function. And whenever we need, simply we call the function. Then what happened? If you are using the function, reusability increases and less coding. That means instead of multiple repetitions, we return only one time. Generally, a function represents one task. For example, my program has three tasks. Task one is written in one function. Task two is written in another function. But the main important thing, once you return the function, it is not executed. The function only executed whenever we call the function. That is, whenever an event occurred, then only the function is executed. Now, in JavaScript, you can write the functions at any place. That is, you can return in the either head section or body section, whatever it is. What is the syntax of defining a function? The keyword is function. Then it is a function followed by name of the function. Here within parenthesis parameters. Remember, parameters are optional. Okay, parameters are optional. Open the flower bracket, close the flower bracket. In between, you can write any lines of code. Whatever the code that you want to execute, that code is written inside these flower brackets. This is a function. Remember, once we create the function, that is not executed immediately. When it is executed, whenever we call the function, then only the function is executed. Clear? Now, I will show you with an example how to create a function and then how do we call the function. Okay, go to one HTML page here. You can write the function at any place, but within the script tag. Why? It is a JavaScript code. Remember, anything related to JavaScript, you can write in the script only. Create one function declaration. So assume my name of the function is display. Initially, I does not give any parameters. Clear? Now within this, you can write any code. Whatever the code you want, you can write. Simply, I am writing alert message, welcome to functions. I need only this code. Suppose if you want some addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever the logic, or if you want document.rich, whatever you want, you can write. Now coming to the body, here, how do we call the function? There are multiple ways to call the function. First, what is the thing? Whenever an event occurred, we are calling the function. That is the first way. So for that, what I am taking, some input is taken, type is equal to button. So one input text input, the type of input is button followed by on click. What is this on click? On click is an event. What happened? Whenever we click on this button, something is happened. What is happened? Whatever you return in this quotation, that is executed whenever on click. Now here what I return? Display. I think you got the meaning. Whenever you click on the button, this is executed. What is the meaning of this one? This is function calling. So internally, this display calls this function. This is executed. Now, value is equal to, you know the meaning of value, just to give name on the button. Okay. Now, save this one. Copy the path. See this one, click me. Whenever I click on this one, alert message, that is click on this one. It calls the display function. The display function is executed. Clear? This is the way. Sir, I doesn't need this input type. All these are not required. You can use the predefined tag. Button tag is already available. You can use the button tag directly. On click is equal to, but the meaning concept is same. Display. So here, this is button tag. Click me. I return some message button. Now check what happened. Refresh. Click on me. Click. You got the point? Whenever this event, click event occur, the thing is, remember, not only click event, suppose on mouse, whenever mouse is placed on the button, display is executed. Whatever the type of event occurred, you can call the function. Sir, I does not need all these click events. So you can directly call display. Now here observe the different variations. Suppose if it is like a Java or C, whenever you call the display is executed. Yes or no? But here, what happened? Now I will execute. This display is also printed on the screen. It does not call the function. Check this one. See, it does not call the function. Then what you need to do? Directly not possible. You need to write document dot write off. Okay. So you call the method by using document.write. Now it calls the display method, even though it does not return any value. Now observe the output. Right now also it does not call the display. Again, the same thing, whatever I written inside the body, the same thing is displayed. It does not call the function. Check. Yes or no? Again, why? Got the point? Remember. Document.write. This is the code belongs to JavaScript. And I already said any code that belongs to JavaScript must should be written inside the script tag. Now, finally, I think you got the point. Save. Now it calls the display method. So display is executed. I think everyone is clear. Okay, this is the basic function. Basic function. Now we will move to functions with arguments. That means parameters. Now, same thing. Here you can write any number of arguments that are separated by comma. While calling the function, you need to pass the value. At the time of calling the function, you need to pass the value. Now, see simple example. Display of 2 comma 3. Now I call the function display of, instead of this one, first I will change. Even you can, sorry, even if you are writing display, not a problem. For understanding, I used method name is add. Here I have two arguments, a comma b. Now what I am doing? Document dot write of a plus b. Just I am doing some simple addition operation. Okay. Now you need to call the function with two parameters. You need to call the function with two parameters. Yes or no? Now go to here, input type is equal to button. Okay. On click is equal to add of 2 comma 3. Simply I call this one, pass to this one. Now value is equal to click me. Now observe the output. So whenever you click on the button, this is called add 2 comma 3, that is passed to the function. The addition operation is performed. Refresh. Click me. See, now we are got the result 5. Clear? This is function with argument. Now we have written statement is also possible. What is the meaning of this one? Suppose the function performs some operation after completion. After completion, it returns the value. Okay. Now I will show you how do you return the value. Instead of this, if it returns the value in the sense, you need to take the value. So I am using document dot write of 2 comma, sorry, write of add of 2 comma 3. What happened? You are calling the function add with 2 comma 3. Here what I am doing? Instead of printing the value, I am returning a plus b. Instead of printing the value, there I written a plus b. Save, refresh. Now observe document.write. What is the problem? You already said. Remove the scripts. This is written in the script tag only. See, we got the answer 5 or not? So directly you can print the statements here. Directly you can print the statement here, or else you can return the value to the calling one. You can return the value to the calling one. Now I will extend this example. Suppose see this one. Here what I am doing, instead of the add, I will write down some simple example. Display of, just for understanding, roll number, comma, name. Display of roll number, comma, name. Simply, I will write down some alert message. Roll number, sorry, roll number plus. Here, I will write down the roll number plus slash n for new line, name colon plus name. My variable name is name. So what I am doing, roll number is just some text message is displayed, roll number, the value is printed, name message is displayed, value name is printed. Okay. Now alert message. That means not only a single value. You got my intention? You can take any number of values. So button on click is equal to call the display. Call the display. My roll number is 1. Suppose name is equal to Razu. Roll number is equal to 1. Name is equal to Razu. Now see. Value is equal to click me. Value is equal to click me. Now understand here. One is roll number. One is roll number. I will delete. Type. Observe carefully. Here, this is not a problem. So what is my function name? Display is my function name. So write down the display. So whatever here data type is not at all required. Whatever the parameters you want, you can write down the parameters simply. Yes or no? Now automatically roll number is a number data type. Name is string data type. Save. Go to the browser. Refresh. Now value is equal to click me. Sorry, here I am using button. It's not a problem. Here you need to write click me, save, refresh, click me. Now roll number is equal to 1, name is equal to Raju. Now, one more important. What is the function? Reusability. That means you can call any number of times. Yes or no? On click is equal to display of 2 comma some another name Naga I given. Click me. Now save, refresh. The first to click me, that is called the first to display. Okay. Second, this one calls the second display. Calls the second display. You got it? In this way, we can call the function any number of times. This is the concept of functions. Anyway, in JavaScript, the concept is extended to function expression, self-invoking functions, that is Lambda functions and arrow functions. We will discuss in the next session. Thank you.